Level up your next bowl of noodles with some of your favorite things and make it super deluxe. You can even add Spam. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. Instant ramen is one of those go-to meals for me because I prefer something hot and soupy over something cold. So I will always choose instant ramen versus, say, a sandwich. Sometimes I'll just eat instant noodles by themselves because I just need a little snack, but sometimes you just want something more substantial. Today, I'm not necessarily making instant ramen with my favorite things, but I am gonna make it with Dude's favorite things because he's the one who has to do the taste. We're using this Korean instant noodle today, and even in the picture, right? Like it has stuff on the noodles. It doesn't just show the noodles by themselves. And yet I found especially when I was younger, I often just ate instant noodles by themselves because that's the way, I don't know, maybe I just didn't think to add anything more to them. So let me get my water started. So y'all know one of Dude's favorite things is...
Yeah, Spam.
So while the water is about to boil, I'm going to slice up a couple of slices of Spam for him.
It's not just my favorite. The kids adore Spam as well.
I know, and it just... I don't
warms
even
your
know.
heart, Flo.
Come on out, Spam. No, it doesn't want... Oh, it's kind of coming out now. There we go. Part of the secret of tasty Spam, according to my husband and kids, is to cut it thinly, so about 1/4 of an inch, maybe.
Mm-hmm. And it's really quite subjective.
You can cut bigger slices if you want, but they love the crispiness on the edge of the Spam as I'm going to fry it up. I'm not going to just add this to the instant ramen.
Oh, heavens no.
So just 2 slices?
Yeah.
All right, because you know what? We also have 2 eggs. I'm gonna boil the noodles for 2 minutes, even though the package says 3. Trust me, 2 minutes is enough. Okay, that was 2 minutes. Taking the noodles out into my serving bowl. And I'm not even gonna do the soup part because check out that water. Do you really want to be drinking that?
Nope.
So for a cleaner taste, I usually boil water on the side and make the soup afterwards. But I'm just gonna let this sit for a second because I have to show you how to fry up the Spam and the egg. Okay, so I have my frying pan out now, turning it on to medium-high heat. When your pan is hot, and you can tell by there's a wisp of smoke. We're gonna add our oil. About 2 tablespoons. Okay, because I want to fry my eggs up really crispy. Also gonna add my Spam. Season the eggs a little bit with some salt. Okay, flipping the Spam over. Well, that's not very crispy, Dude.
Not yet. You gotta be patient, girl.
Well, that one's better. All right, the eggs are done, so I'm gonna put them right on top of my instant noodle. Okay.
Oh, I like how that char is building up.
So I am not a Spam expert, as you can tell, but next time I think I will start with frying up the Spam first before doing the eggs.
I know you just wanted to not be bothered and get it all done in one shot.
True. All right, but look, they're almost there.
They're good right now, yeah.
Ooh, look at that. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat off and get my soup going. All right, so adding the soup base straight to the noodles. And I boiled water in a kettle on the side. Just gonna add that, and it just melts. But you can use your chopsticks to move it around, to make sure it all dissolves. Okay, adding your Spam. and some green onions for extra. And I think we have some dried shallots too, or fried shallots. You want some of that?
Yes, please.
All right. Do you know how much this would cost in a restaurant?
How much, Flo?
I looked it up recently at our favorite Hong Kong style cafe. This, 2 eggs, 2 slices of Spam with instant noodles or instant ramen for $17.49.
Ouch.
I can't even, I don't even understand how that's possible. So to help you understand how much I spent on this bowl of noodles, less than $1 for the noodles, probably 50 cents. An egg each is about 50 cents each, so that's $1.50. That can of Spam I buy from Costco in bulk, and so 3 packages of Spam is about $10, so 1 pack and just 2 little slices from there, what, less than $1 for those 2 slices of Spam? So $2.50 maybe for this bowl of noodles?
Let's just say $2.
Are you all ready for?
Definitely. I haven't seen you in a while. It's been a long time. The taste. I've been eating instant ramen / noodles for a long time, and for as far as I can remember, I never or hardly ever ate the noodles just on their own. I always jazzed them up. And what I usually did was I sliced up green onions. I would also take out the noodles, change out the water, and then put it in the soup packet in there. And while I did that, I put the green onions to cook because I didn't like them raw. I often added eggs as well. And so what I did is after the onions were cooked, to my liking, I would turn down the heat and I would just crack the eggs in there to poach them. To make sure you turn the heat down, otherwise if you left it on the boiling, it would just obliterate the eggs and you don't want that. And then just pour it onto the noodles. Nostalgia. So Flo, thanks for cooking the noodles for just 2 minutes as opposed to the package recommended 3 minutes. Otherwise the noodles or the ramen loses its al dente texture. The noodles maintain their springiness. All right, let's get some of that egg in there, some noodles, and look at the Spam, a nice char on both sides. And I'm gonna have a bite first. Oh yeah, guys, a little bit of crisp on the outside. And then you bite into it, you get the tenderness of the Spam on the inside. I can't believe I'm describing Spam like it's steak. Save money, eat well, and tell us how you jazz up or level up your instant ramen.
Awesome, thanks dude. Personally, I like to have my instant noodles / ramen with a Bavarian sausage or bacon or ham, not Spam. And you can use whatever your favorite instant ramen is. Like, you don't have to use this Korean style one that we have. Use whatever you like to eat. Customize it to your liking. So again, eat well, save money, check out some more cheap eats. I will see you over there.